Check in, my beautiful people. Welcome back to another exciting and informative episode at Herbal Gold Rush, the channel that introduces you to the healing powers of medicinal plants. Today, guys, I'll be talking about the breadfruit flowers. The breadfruit flower is the reproductive structure of the breadfruit tree, Artocarpus altilis, a tropical tree native to the South Pacific and now widely grown in the Caribbean, Africa, Southeast Asia, and other warm regions. The breadfruit tree produces separate male and female flowers on the same tree. Male flowers appear first. They are long, club-shaped and yellowish green, growing in dense cylindrical spikes about 10 to 30 centimeters long. Each spike is made up of tiny individual flowers packed closely together. Female flowers appear later on the same tree. They form rounded knobby clusters that eventually develop into the large starchy breadfruit. The female inflorescences are typically located on the same branches as the male ones, but closer to the tips. Breadfruit is mainly wind pollinated, though insects may assist. Once pollinated, the many tiny female flowers fuse together to form a single large compound fruit known as the breadfruit. This is why a breadfruit has a bumpy surface. Each bump corresponds to an individual flower. Flowering may occur several times a year in a tropical climate. The fruit matures in about 15 to 20 weeks after flowering, depending on the variety and environment. In Jamaica, the dried breadfruit flowers is traditionally burned to repel mosquitoes and other insects. When the dry male flowers are lit, they release a distinctive aromatic smoke that helps keep mosquitoes away. The male breadfruit flowers are collected after they fall from the tree and dried out on the ground. The dried flowers are then burned in a small pile or placed in a pan or bottle to burn slowly, producing smoke that repels mosquitoes, especially during the evening hours. This practice has been used for generations, particularly in rural communities where chemical repellents are less accessible. Research led by scientists at the U.S. Department of Agriculture, USDA, and the University of the West Indies, UWI, found that the smoke from the burning dried breadfruit flowers contain natural chemicals such as cupric acid, undecanoic acid, medium-chain fatty acids, known for repelling insects, aromatic hydrocarbons, and esters that interfere with mosquitoes' sensory receptors. Laboratory tests have shown that smoke from the breadfruit flowers repel Aedes aegypti mosquitoes, the species responsible for spreading dengue, chikungunya, and Zika viruses, as effectively as some commercial repellents. Breadfruit flowers are non-toxic and biodegradable. Unlike deep-based repellents, they are eco-friendly in that breadfruit trees are widely grown for food and shade. What began as a traditional Jamaican practice has now been scientifically validated. The smoke from the dried breadfruit flowers contain natural compounds that interfere with mosquitoes' sense of smell, effectively keeping them away without harmful chemicals. That's it for now, guys. If you like this video, please subscribe and follow for more educational videos like this.